Hey, how you doing? Can you smile for Anthony's? Give me a big smile. Hey. There. He was laughing earlier. I guess he doesn't want to laugh anymore. Oh. Ryan discovered that if we shake him like this, that he smiles really big. Oh, and pukes too. Oh, the joys of motherhood. Having your child throw up on you. What's up? Can you give me a big smile? Give me a really big smile. That's not really big. See you later. Maybe next time he'll be a little bit more active.